Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate percentiles and quantiles in Stata. So before doing so, let me explain what does these two things mean. Percentiles is basically split your data into 100 equal parts, while quantiles could be divided into several different parts depending on what number of groups you choose. So I'm going to demonstrate this with examples so that you better understand these operations without understanding the technical details. Examples make it easy. So let's do it. So I'm going to use a command called sum, which is summarize, and use a variable called age, and then option. You must use this option. And then you see these percentiles 1, 5, 10. So all these percentiles, they have created 10 percentiles, 10 different groups. So you can create any number of groups. You can customize it. This is the default you see. And 25th percentile. So what does this mean, right? So 31, the value is 31. So this means that in your data set, 25% people have age less than 31 years, okay? Similarly, for example, 19th percentile means 69. That means 90% people in your data set have less than 69 years of age. Okay, so that's how you interpret it. So you can use any number if you want. So I'm going to use you can create a new variable like using xtile command. Age quartile equals age, and you can specify how many quantiles you want. Like I want 4, so which makes it quartiles, but you can use 10, so which makes it decile. You can use 5, whatever number you want, okay, but 4 is the most default thing. And then hit enter, and then tab age quartile. I think quartile, yes. And you see this there divided into 4 different parts. But let's say what exactly, if you really like to know about certain percentile, for example 85 percentile, for example, if you want to know. So what do you do? There's a command called centile, okay, and the name of the variable, comma, and centile, and then 85. That's what we are specifying. Okay, so now centile value is 67. That means 85% people in the data set have age less than 67. So, and 90 percentile, you see 69, but 85 percentile is 67. So this is how you check your percentile and quantiles in any data set you are working on. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, and share. Also, if you want a specific video to be created, let me know. I will create a video for you. Thanks.